Digital solutions for the manufacturing industry. Every single day, European manufacturers face immense pressure to work smarter and operate with greater precision, right? Are disconnected systems slowing down your manufacturing floor? It's a scenario you probably recognize on the ground. You've got the machinery, you've got a dedicated team, but somehow the daily flow of operations just isn't moving as smoothly as it should. Information gets trapped in silos, completely preventing you and your directors from seeing the real, complete picture of your facility's performance. These everyday operational hurdles usually show up as disconnected systems, reactive logistics, and those persistent resource management challenges. When data doesn't flow naturally from one department to another, you're left just reacting to internal bottlenecks rather than actually anticipating them. This friction on the floor prevents efficiency, and it really hinders your capacity to respond rapidly when market demands inevitably shift. So, let's look at some tangible use cases that genuinely help optimize operations and ultimately help drive your sales. It starts by connecting sensors and machines to a unified data infrastructure, allowing us to monitor production in real time. From there, we can directly synchronize your logistics based on that live feed. By connecting your physical floor to a digital framework, we help you monitor manufacturing processes intimately, distributing resources effectively, and improving your overall capacity to respond to the market. This brilliantly illustrates our next capability, the digital twin. Imagine taking a real data feed right from your plant to run a virtual simulation of your production environment. You can then apply those optimized results directly back to reality. We allow you to simulate scenarios, test changes, and even anticipate mechanical failures in a completely virtual space. This means you can improve decision-making without ever risking the physical plant or halting your actual day-to-day operations. Now consider how information is handled across your entire organization. Through careful API integration, which essentially allows your different software programs to seamlessly talk to each other, unifying data from different sources provides a complete, unfragmented vision of the business. This interconnected infrastructure helps you stay ahead of market demands, significantly improving internal organization and streamlining those daily operational activities to keep you highly competitive. The crucial point here is the fundamental shift in how strategic decisions are made. We are looking at the stark contrast between management by intuition versus data-driven management based on objective criteria. Relying on assumptions or gut feelings simply leaves an organization vulnerable. Our value proposition is built on extracting real, actionable information from your data, helping you to support your analysis and direct your management with much greater clarity. To achieve this, we provide custom B2B software designed specifically for your unique operational needs. We know generic, off-the-shelf options usually fall short because your manufacturing processes are entirely your own. So we focus on delivering modular and flexible programming that adapts precisely to your requirements, tailored specifically to improve the competitiveness of your European organization. Let's move to a foundational pillar of our service, digital sovereignty. We define this as processing and protecting data as a vital asset hosted on servers located exclusively within the European Union. We treat your data with the strictest care, keeping information protected within the EU to facilitate regulatory compliance seamlessly, while offering clear transparency in exactly how your information is handled. Our differential value really lies in providing a systemic, scalable, and multilateral approach to digital innovation. We understand that your business moment changes. What serves you well today might need expanding tomorrow. That is exactly why our services are independent yet combinable, scaling smoothly alongside your evolution. You have the total freedom to deploy exactly what you need, when you need it, based on your current objectives. Furthermore, we prioritize native integration, seamlessly blending with your existing digital tools. We want to reassure you that our solutions are conceived to be a constituent part of your current activity. The goal isn't to force a disruptive overhaul of your factory. Rather, it's about integrating naturally into your established digital ecosystem, enhancing what is already working well for your team. This leads us directly to the operational benefits, specifically what we call the digital workforce. By implementing AI-powered automation for repetitive tasks, custom software can completely optimize your workflows and handle the heavy lifting of routine processes. This digital workforce essentially operates in the background, resolving bottlenecks and executing tasks consistently. The result is a highly effective working environment where machines manage the automated tasks while your team focuses on strategic decisions. This perfectly illustrates the core benefit of our digital workforce. It frees up your human staff. Instead of being bogged down by repetitive administration, your people can dedicate their valuable time to high-level, strategic work that truly drives the company forward.
Because at the end of the day, we firmly believe that the objective of technology is to simplify everyday life. All this digital innovation, the connected sensors, the digital twins, and the data infrastructure, they all anchor back to one core purpose: making daily operations easier and much more manageable for the actual people working within your organization.
And this is exactly why we value direct human-to-human relationships, no virtual assistants. Even though we specialize in automating systems and providing remote support to organizations right across Europe, our working relationships rely entirely on direct, genuine human contact. We listen to the unique challenges you want to resolve, and we work with you personally to construct the right technological response.
Shall we talk?